All right, here we go. Sorento SX Prestige X line. Just making a quick video to help out hopefully some of you guys on YouTube because I did not see this anywhere else. So I am not a mechanic. However, this is part of the frame. As you follow it, it'll go to the wheel there. So it does seem to be a fairly stable jack point. As you can see, I have it up on jack stands. No issue, no crazy noises. So it seems to work. Then if we come around to the front part, there's also a jack point here. However, it's a little bit hard to see. But if we come under here, as you'll notice, similar type of situation. So you have the wheel frame that runs up, comes in here. So what you can do is basically jack it up here. So again, not a mechanic, but this is what I did and it has worked so far. Alrighty.